tools in here of questionable use.
Defense tools. Alright,
I would be the person, I know.
I gotta record. Sorry to cut our conversation.
No, that's fine, you record, but don't ask questions like that unless you expect a long answer.
Alright. Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you how to hook your camera up onto your tripod. So first you're gonna start out with just your tripod, and then you're gonna take this little loosener right here, just twist it. You don't have to twist it all the way, just like about halfway works. And then on the other side over here, there's a release button. This little panel right here. Just gonna push that in. Everything should pull right out. Now here are your screws that fasten to your camera and then let it mount on the tripod. Alright, so you're gonna have 2 screws in there. One of them is useless, so you're just gonna take that out, get it out of here. There's a spot you can put it on, just like right here. Alright, now this is all you need. You just need your one screw. Looks like this. Now you're gonna look at the bottom of your camera. Now that you have to have this facing towards the lens. I don't know if you can see that, but yep, the arrow lens needs to be that way. Now you're just gonna take your little 2 screws and line them up. Once you get it lined up in there, then just screw it in. Just like that. See, I got it pointing the right way. Alright, now to put it onto there. So you're going to take the release button, you're going to push that in again. Then just sometimes it struggles, but it'll get in there. See, lights like that. It's pointing the right way. Then this little fastener here again, you're going to tighten that up all the way. And this will lock the black piece into there. See? There we go. And that's how you mount your camera onto your tripod.